Hello, my name is Jaime Wilchez and I'm part of the Consensus International Group as a consultant at SAP Business One. Today, we are talking about generating NACHA files from SAP Business One to automate your bank payment process. Before we dive into the specifics, let's briefly talk about what a NACHA file is, as not everyone might be familiar with it. Essentially, a NACHA file is a protocol or format used to trigger ACH, automatic clearinghouse payments. When you upload a NACHA file to your bank's portal, it processes payments in batches. It's essentially a configuration that defines the structure of the file, how and where each piece of information should be placed. It is the language through which SAP Business One communicates with the bank facilitating ACH payments. Today, I will guide you through the process of generating NACHA files directly from SAP Business One. This process will help eliminate double data entry by allowing you to generate the necessary files within SAP Business One and upload them to your bank's portal with the main focus in these 4 key steps. Number 1, configuring payment methods. Setting up the payment method for NACHA in SAP Business One. Second, configuring business partner. Assigning the payment method and entering vendor bank information. Third, assign payment methods to AP invoices, ensuring that the payment method is selected for each invoice. And the last one, generating the payment and NACHA file, using the payment wizard to generate NACHA file to uploading to your bank. Let's start with the configuring payment methods. Number 1, go to Administration, Setup, Banking, Payment Methods. Create a new payment method. Give it a name like NACHA sample and select bank transfer as the payment type. Make sure to assign your company house bank and select the NACHA format under file format. Once done, this payment method is now available for use. Next, we configure the vendors who will be paid through the NACHA file. Select a vendor and navigate to the Payment Run tab. Assign the payment method you just created, NACHA, to the vendor. Ensure you enter the vendor's bank account information in the Payment Terms tab. This includes the bank code, account number, ABA routing number, and selecting whether the account is checking or savings account. Now, ensure that the invoices you want to pay with NACHA have this payment method assigned. Navigate to Accounting tab of each invoice and change the default payment method to NACHA method we configured earlier. You can do this either at the time of the invoice creation or after the invoice is generated. Finally, we will generate the NACHA file through the payment wizard. Go to Banking Payment Wizard. Choose a new payment run, select the payment date, and make sure to select bank transfer as the payment method. Filter the vendors and invoices that you want to include. You can set additional filters such as due dates or specific document numbers. Confirm the payment run and generate the file. Once the payment is processed, SAP Business One will display the option to create the bank file. Save the NACHA file and upload it to your bank's portal. If something goes wrong during the bank transfer, such as an error with the vendor's bank information, you can easily fix it by uploading the correct information in SAP Business One. After making the correction, simply regenerate the nacha file and re-upload it to the bank. Thank you so much for your time, and for further information, do not hesitate to contact us. Hello, my name is Jaime Wilchez, and I'm part of the Consensus International Group as a consultant at SAP Business One. Today, based on the common requests we have received from our clients and how to better manage their inventories, we'll be discussing solutions for inventory management. We want to introduce you a business solution that Consensus has chosen to focus on, which is WiSys. Over the past 5 years, WiSys has enabled us to help our clients improve their inventory management. Today, we will explore the following topics. First, we will talk about the types of warehouse management system WMS available in the market. We have identified two distinct groups. The first one is standalone WMS, where the functionality is separate from the main software, in this case SAP. The standalone warehouse management system operates independently, and the synchronization with SAP occurs at specific times during the day. This approach can lead to synchronization issues, which means we don't always have real-time information at the inventory levels. The second option integrates warehouse management systems, which is the category that WiSys falls in. As the name suggests, all data in WiSys is integrated directly with SAP, meaning that all the inventory levels displayed in WiSys reflect real-time data from SAP. WiSys does not manage any data outside of SAP. All queries are made directly to SAP models and database. It is important to note that this integration can work with either SAP HANA or SQL. Now let's go into the product offering of WiSys. Like any warehouse management system, covers the standard inventory function that we expect. This includes everything from purchase order reception, inventory transfer, sales order management, through pick lists, deliveries, inventory control, and more, all managed through handheld devices. WiSys also offers specific functions for handling pallets, such as pallet creation, picking, and transferring. But the focus of today's session is to introduce a tool that we have been using with clients over past 4 years, particularly for clients in manufacturing or those with complex inventory location. This tool is called Agility, a set of reporting tools including with WiSys. Before diving deeper into Agility, let me first show you some of the standard functions that WiSys provides. WiSys organizes its models into different categories such as distribution, palletization, and production. You can assign or remove these functions for different users within your organization. In the distribution model, you will find common functions like viewing batches, transferring items, create pick lists, and conducting regular or periodic inventory counts. WiSys also has pallet-related functions that allow you to group products together for more efficient dispatching. Additionally, WiSys includes a production-related functions, such as issuing raw materials to production orders and reporting production completion. Alright, now let's talk about Agility. Agility provides visibility into your inventory and overall business. It includes a set of standard reports and views of SAP data, with the added benefit of customization through a tool called Design Studio. With Design Studio, you can tailor views and processes to meet your specific business needs. Agility comes pre-packaged with a wide range of reports, including those for sales order, purchase orders, business partners, inventory, production, and services. The interface is similar to Excel, allowing you to filter, sort, and analyze data intuitively. One of the key features for Agility is the dynamic queries. For example, if you want to see all open sales orders for a particular customer, you can simply enter the customer's name and Agility will filter the data accordingly. You can also sort the total data in real time, much like in Excel.
Reports like this can also be applied to other areas, such as purchase orders, where you can sort by dispatch date, total amount, or filter by a specific business partner. The same functionality applies to inventory reports and other standard reports included in WiSys. Another key feature is the integration between WiSys and SAP. Any updates made in WiSys are automatically synchronized with SAP. For example, if you update a batch record in WiSys, that information is immediately reflected in SAP, ensuring real-time synchronization. WiSys also supports interactive functions that allow for real-time updates. For instance, in the case of production orders, you can complete productions and issue materials directly through WiSys. We've also built in the ability to print labels automatically upon completion or production. This label printing functionality is integrated with specialized barcode software that comes as part of the WiSys package. It is fully integrated with WiSys and allows for seamless barcode label generation. In conclusion, WiSys offers a comprehensive solution for warehouse management, from handheld devices to reporting and label printing. It's fully integrated with SAP and supports a wide range of functions for managing your inventory, production, and distribution process. Thank you for your attention. Feel free to reach out if you would like more information or if you would like to hear more about our success stories with WiSys. Thank you so much and have a very wonderful day.